well before dispatch. The green light about to go on in the third. Flashes there, and from out very, very wide there, La Prima Diva's come across there and just whipped across and taken up the running very comfortably there. Settling on its back in turn there will be Hanover 47. Getting into a clear third now is Bonnie May. Relegated to fourth as This Girl Is Grinning from the pole. Able to slide onto the pegs then is Burt Day, and they're mainly Indian Foal, the only one without cover at the moment. Please Sock It to Me, although it's about to go to the pegs by the look of it. Calder Galabert was safe enough away there, but they've all begun pretty quickly, and getting going and left without cover. Supreme Bliss is trying to make a little bit of ground and mill back enough room to slot into second last. They are Indian File now. They're all on the pegs, as up in front with that brilliant beginning. La Prima Diva just whipped across them from the wide draw and took up the running. From Hanover 47 in second spot there. Racing third at the moment is Bonnie May. Then in fourth spot there, the pole marker, This Girl Is Grinning. Continuing to make ground from the back here now, and making ground is Please Sock It to Me there. It's whipped around them and trying to make ground there. Getting onto its back at the moment there will be Duff's aboard Supreme Bliss. Out the back there, probably about 20 or 30 metres away there, is Calder Galabert, which is the trotter amongst the paces here, and just up in front of them, racing last on the pegs there, or the main body, is Burt Day. They come down and they will get the bell this time. La Prima Diva pinged across there, getting up on the steel a little bit in second spot on the leader's back, tossing the head around. Hanover 47, without cover, Please Sock It to Me, travels nicely, just the same, right up onto its back, enjoying a good run is Supreme Bliss as the sprint goes on at the 800. Racing through back the pegs there is Bonnie May. They've got away a little bit there, coming off the pegs. This Girl Is Grinning there, and going back to the inside, taking its spot, Burt Day, and that little trotter out the back there, Calder Galabert, has done a good job to be that close and actually hasn't lost ground on him. Up in front and working to the top now, Please Sock It to Me, has gathered up the leader there, La Prima Diva, who hasn't got much more to offer there as they run to it. Running to a clear second there is Supreme Bliss, but Please Sock It to Me has got a handy break. As I said, Supreme Bliss has been trailing it throughout in the last lap and trying to improve there. Running to a clear third is Hanover 47, and there's not much point in going further back. Bonnie May in fourth spot there, but Please Sock It to Me's done a power work there in the last lap there, but it's still got a handy break. Going back to the inside, Supreme Bliss running on now. Hanover 47 late, but Please Sock It to Me's got a big enough break, and Please Sock It to Me's going to win nicely. Make it 2 lengths on the line. On the outside there, I'd say Hanover 47 just in front of Supreme Bliss. Getting going again, This Girl Is Grinning.